the ships, and I'm stranded at the edge of the sea. I still need foes around me to hold my life, keep me from going astray. I need a honky-tonk angel to hold me tight, keep me from slipping away. I need a honky-tonk angel to hold me tight, to keep me from slipping That was fun.
The song made me want to sit down and play.
And so you did.
Cody, do it. Come on.
You know, I was gonna do one, but we've got like a Roy Nichols that can sing over here.
I
So
know.
I think we should, I just wanna just turn loose, see what's gonna happen next. You-
Cody, I'm going to tell you one thing. You can work a room better than anybody. I'm telling you. You know how to squeeze out
Man's
a
gotta
corner.
get by in this life.
You get this guy in a corner, you think you got him? No, he finds a way around it.
No.
I love that. All right, what do you got there, Leo?
And then the second hour, I'll do a couple of songs.
You know, Carmen, I love that Carmen's Country Corner has corn in it. You know?
We do have.
We put the corn back in Carmine's corner.
Anyway, we're having a lot of fun. We're sorry. I'm going to apologize now because you're not seeing the show from 6 to 7. I know she'll type something about that, I think. And we're going to see this a little later tonight, right, Kim? Yes. Okay, so in the next week we'll try to be on here on time and get it straight. But okay, go ahead.
Let's do The Way I Am.
Okay, what key?
G.
G. Good key.
Wish I was down on the bayou, I can almost see that bottle dancing. I just dream
Good. You wanna try one of these songs? One
Yeah,
patriotic song?
he did something.
Yeah.
I know Gary Paul.
It is. That you just cut this, we could just cut this whole part out if it's just.
Oh, no,
gonna
no,
happen.
we didn't cut the show.
What do you think, what do you think? We'll do a little, it's a two-beat palmer, just a. Da-bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, something like that.
Oh, I think we know that.
All right.
What key?
Let me give you one.
Oh, we're live now, by the way.
We went live all of a sudden?
Yeah,
So-
yeah, a few minutes ago.
So how long ago did we go live?
I'm not exactly sure.
Okay, well, somehow the computer jumped on and now we're live. So we started the
Let's
show,
start over.
folks. I don't think we were live. Well, let's just
Let's
go
just
from
do it
now
over.
on
Let's
out.
start over.
I don't care. We can play. And if everybody's up for it,
Yes, sir.
okay, we'll just play a little while. Okay, so we're live now. In the first 40 minutes or 30 minutes, we weren't. We don't think. We don't know.
we were unlive.
Anyway, we'll know later. Love y'all. Thanks for watching. Tell your friends. And here we go.
All right, here you go. Have fun.
Yeah,
Yeah, who cares?
I have my
We
glasses.
can- Yeah, I know. You can borrow if you take one.
Give him one. He's a good reader, that guy.
Give us that little vamp there, Palmer. And in between each one, Palmer, maybe an extra measure or two. Well, average.
You know the song?
One, two, three. Yankee Doodle. I was so anxious to get the grand old flag, I couldn't help myself. All right, here we go. Don't confuse me, it's too easy. Grand old flag. I'll get this one. Let me just hum it for a second, and then I'll get it. If I could think like my trumpet playing, I'd be fine. Hold your patience. Thank you, service members.
What a workout, but that was worth it, and that's for all the military people out there, everybody in every branch of our armed forces. Thank you, God bless you, and of course the ones that didn't make it home, special love and appreciation to them and their families who gave up so much to keep us free so we can do this music, we can have our computer break down, and then start working again, and it's all for fun. So it's a good thing, and God bless America. That's all I can say about that. Cody, great job.
And the
Thank
guy-
you.
and the
How much
guy-
time we got? We're just going to go a little bit because we're still live. And is it still live? Hey, this is great. We're back live.
We're still
at
set up.
Carmine's Country Corner. Well, hang on, folks.
Everybody wave at us.
Hey, yeah, way back. Gary, you want to do another one?
Sure.
You want to think about it for a long time, or you just want to do one? Well, there it is. You started the song. All right.
You can do your favorite.
There's a closet full of dresses that I bought you. And here's the keys to the new car in the drive. And before you leave our room, put on your best perfume. If you're gonna do me wrong, do it right. The next time when the phone rings, I want
You know how they say that was just like the record? You know, you say that at the end of a song? That might have been better than the record. I don't know. You did a great job on that song, Gary. We need a guest artist to do another one. Now, you've been laying back.
I've been quiet.
You've been having fun picking and
I'm having
grinning.
a whole lot of fun here. Thank
God
you for
bless you.
having me, brother.
Well, we'll have you again sometime. You did
Hey,
doing a
come on.
fine job.
I'd be
I think
glad to
you
be
should-
here.
What,
I think
Gary?
you should promote that CD for him.
Oh,
I
well,
know
he's
there's
got about
people that-
5 of them.
Yeah, I know people want to hear him
Kim, anyone?
in their car. For those of you who have a car out there,
Yeah.
Do you know some of the new cars are not going to have radio? Hey, they're talking about
There
getting
you go.
rid
You
of
can buy that.
AM radio.
They can buy that CD
Yeah,
with Drew Brees on the cover. Yeah, maybe Drew will sign that football too.
yeah. Drew
Anyway.
Brees, what a quarterback he was.
But
Wow.
Yeah, what a great friend he
great.
is to me. So,
but you know
that's
what?
good.
That CD comes with a car.
yeah.
It comes with a football.
So
I don't know what that's got to do with a car, but
Well, Drew Brees has a lot to do with
Right.
football, so that's why I said it.
this song will be easy. This is an old song I had out called "Ain't Got No Pedigree." All in there, you'll get it.
Okay.
Straight ahead a little. If I've been born in Nashville, ain't played this old guitar, then the king will discover me and make me a star.
Great song, good rocker. How much time we got, Kim? What are we doing here?
Whatever you want.
Well, what time is it?
Oh, wait, it's 7:23.
Oh, it's 7:23. Well, I think we'll probably do a closer.
7:23, mama.
7:23, and I just got. We could write a song about that. 7:23. That's a good song. Paul, you want to close it out tonight?
Yes, I do.
All right.
I want to thank Leo.
Thank you, man.
God bless you. You know,
Brothers a long time.
before we did the show tonight, he and I were talking. I have not seen this gentleman in a while, but we went all the way back to the 60s and the Holiday Inn and the Imperial Inn, and I mean the Holiday too, and Sammy Masters and who was Billy Mize,
Billy Mize.
and all and
Cliff
and-
Crawford.
Cliff Crawford. Who's the steel player again?
Paul Walden.
Carl Walden, and I had not played with these guys in at least 45, 50. I mean,
And we can't leave out Red Rhodes.
of course, Red, he was everywhere. But anyway, yeah, man, that was like before the Palomino.
Yes.
Before before we started hanging there a lot. I got there like in the late 60s. But before that, there was Sammy Masters and Billy Mize and Eddie Dean and all those guys. Yeah.
Lee Ross.
Yeah, Jesus, Culpepper, all of them. They were all back at Eddie Drake, all of them. Anyway, we love all you guys. Some of those guys are still with us, believe it or not. Thank God, some are not. But we had a lot of fun many years ago. Okay, we're going to close out. I'm going to let Paul close it. Thank you again. We'll have you back soon, and you did a great job. We appreciate it. Cody, thank you. And that little medley thing of the Memorial Day for all our service people was done very well. Thank you. That was very thoughtful. And I'm proud to have it on the show. Okay, Paul.
All right. Hey, Leo.
Yes.
Do you remember my pal Butch Hendricks?
Oh, very well.
I knew you would. This is a song Butch and I wrote about 40 years ago. 151, key of A. Shuffle. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got the most nights on the town of anyone that can be found in any honky tonk, and heard they're all the same. And the record clearly shows I've gone as far as a man can go, 'cause I just made the drinkers holiday. I'm in the drinkers holiday, and I owe the road all to you. Let me roll the inspiration for all quick with the road. I got the workers' heart. I got the most hands with me. That's how I be. The drinkers holiday.
thanks for your patience, and we'll see you next week, 6 o'clock. Don't be late.
Good night.